Well, good morning. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and I'm here with some more tips and tricks on how you can save on your groceries. I've already done all my grocery shopping for the week, and I found some fairly decent deals. I'll share with you some of my strategies and what we're going to eat this week. So hold on just a second. A lot of times you can get frozen fruit cheaper than you can get fresh, and it tastes about the same. Okay, all of these coffees are on sale for $6.99, but they're not all the same size. So this one's 29 ounce, this one's 30.5 ounce, this one's 24 ounce. And so you really, to get the best bargain, pay attention to your sizes. I'm gonna go with this special blend because it's the largest size and they're all $6.99. So this is kind of deceptive. They have this Angel Soft on sale. If you buy 6 of, whatever grouping they've put together, then they're $3.49 each. And that's 320 square sheets per roll. And it's 135 square feet for 4 rolls. Well, over here, you can buy packages of 8. These are packages of 4. This package of 8 is 270 square feet, which is the same as what 2 of these packages would be. So 2 packages on sale, $3.49 plus $3.49, you're at $6.98. Regular price is $6.99. So if you want to buy these on sale, you're going to save a whole penny. This is one of the main reasons I came here today is I wanted to stock up on pasta because you hardly ever see it that inexpensive anymore. I'm going to check out this clearance rack. They never have a lot of stuff. The cereal's only $2. Probably get that. And this tea is $1.20. So I'm probably going to get a package of that. This mascara, $3.99. I'll probably get that. I just haven't been finding that much on clearance racks. Oh, I am going to get these though. These are charcoal briquettes with flavor in them, and that's cheap. I wonder what those were originally. So they have this bread, which is buy one, get one free, which is a pretty good deal because I love this bread. The only thing is a lot of it has a really short expiration date on it. So I went through all of these to get the longest expiration date on the 2 I bought. So it was anywhere from the 16th to the 19th. So you really want to get the one with the longer expiration date. So you can buy 4 ears of corn for $5 basically, or 3 ears of corn for $2. So this makes these 67 cents each. All you have to do is shuck them. That takes about a second. Whereas these are $1 each. So you're paying quite a bit for that labor just to take off a husk. I am home from the grocery store. Now, I shopped at 3 different grocery stores this week. I went to Aldi's, and I spent $48.35 at Aldi's. I went to it's called like a second chance food store. I can't remember their exact name, but it's things that these people buy. They buy a pallet because 3 of the boxes are crushed and the grocery store rejects it. And they buy the whole pallet and sell off the remainder. And then I shopped at Dillon's, and I spent $56.84, and I spent $53.22 at the Second Chance grocery store. So I spent a total of $158.41. I'm trying to stick around $150 a week, and I did go over a little bit this week, and I'll show you why I went over. Now, I never go without a plan. I look at all the ads, I decide what I'm going to buy, I check my pantry, see what I already have, so I'm not double buying. And I usually go in with a meal plan, but like this week, I'm changing out a couple of my meals I had originally planned because I found better deals. But this is what I got at Dillon's. 3 ears of corn for $2. A bag of radishes, they were $1.50. They had potatoes on sale for $2.49. They had butter on sale for $3.49, which isn't great, but it's cheaper than usual. They had coffee on sale for $6.99. The main reason I went there was to buy all this pasta, because they had one of those deals, buy 6, get 50 cents off, and it's already on sale, so it comes out to 79 cents a package. Well, this is about 6 months worth of pasta, because I've got, I think, 6 packages of angel hair. I got 2 packages of elbow macaroni, a bow tie, and this type. So we've got a lot of pasta. This bread was on sale. It's normally $4.29, and it was buy one get one free. And I found that this little steak for $5.14. It was normally $7.41. So we're gonna have steak and baked potato one night. This is why I changed one of my meals, because I found this little turkey breast for $2.99. These are normally $9.99. And so I think I'm probably going to make that tonight. Just have this turkey breast and some mashed potatoes. I'm trying to stay away from processed foods, but you can't avoid it entirely. And this box of cereal was only $2, and my husband likes cereal. When it's in the red net bag, it's $1. So I got these 5 tomatoes. There's nothing wrong with them. They will ripen. It'll take them about a week and a half, and then they'll just be like any other tomato. And all the red tomatoes that you see in the grocery store were shipped like this. Avocados in a red net bag. There's 4 of them. I can tell one of them is not good, but still 3 for $1 is not bad. And then they had these turnips. I have not eaten a turnip probably in 20 years. And so I decided I would try turnips again, give them a try. I had a coupon for a free package of cheese. This mascara was on the clearance rack for $3.99, and I had loaded a coupon for $2 off, so I actually got it for $1.99. Then this tea was $1.20, and this diet soda, which I hardly ever drink pop, but since I'm dieting, I thought maybe it would be a little bit of a treat. It was $1.60. This is what threw me off of my sticking to $1.50. They had all these bags of flavored charcoal for $2.20. And charcoal has gotten so expensive. I think it's like $10 a bag. So I went ahead and got 4 bags. They had basil, sage, and thyme, and garlic, onion, and paprika. And of course, I couldn't avoid getting this little flower for $1.99. It had a bunch of dead blooms on it, which I picked off, but it's also got a whole bunch of blooms getting ready to bloom. So that seemed like a pretty good deal for $1.99. I don't know what this plant is called, so if you know, tell me. But I love plants. I always say, if you want to get me a present, get me a plant or seeds, because that's my thing. So anyway, this is what I got today for $56.84. And a lot of this isn't going to be eaten this week. I'm going to have to put a loaf of the bread in the freezer. But this week I am planning on making lasagna, sweet potato nachos, which I already bought the sweet potatoes, grilled cheese, white chili. I think we're going to have that steak and potato, and that turkey and mashed potato. And when I make lasagna, that'll make 2 nights worth of meals. So this little steak, I went ahead and cut it in half, and I'm going to marinate it. I'm going to put some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to put a little bit of rice vinegar and a little bit of steak seasoning. Both sides of that. And now we are just going to let this marinate in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Today's Friday the 13th. And so by Sunday, these should be really tender. Now, I'm going to admit that is a rather exceptional flavor. I really like it, but I don't like that I have to repackage it myself. And I don't want to have to store a whole ton of boxes. What I want is individually wrapped tea, and that's why I usually buy Bigelow or some other brand that individually wraps the tea bag. It stays fresh longer. And so since Celestial Seasonings doesn't do that, I tend to shy away from them, but I wish they did do it because I like some of their teas. Now remember, I bought that net bag of tomatoes. Well, there were 6 tomatoes in there. And like I said, the sugar's already set at this stage, so you're fine to pick tomatoes that are green. You just have to wait for them to ripen. And that's why my grandma always had a line of tomatoes in her kitchen window. Well, these tomatoes look just like those tomatoes about 2 weeks ago. So now they're kind of overripe. But in about a week, these will ripen and they'll be just fine, just like these are fine. Also, I went ahead and husked the corn. So remember, this corn was 3 for $2. I could have bought 4 for $5 already husked, but my time, the amount of money I saved was worth the time. I'm not going to bore you with everything that I bought at Aldi's, but as you can see, it's mostly fruits and vegetables. I've gone back to buying the majority of my fruits and vegetables at Aldi's or Walmart. Now that Dillon's doesn't mark them down like they used to. I had spent around $53 at the Second Chance type food store, and I'm not going to show you everything I bought, but I'm going to give you a sampling of what I bought. I bought a lot of nuts. They had a lot of nuts there this time, and pretty good deal. They had a bunch of olives. I think I got 3 or 4 of these olives because that's not too bad of a price, and I love olives. They had these cans of olives for $1.35. I think I got 4 cans of those. Oh, they had some refried beans for 89 cents, which is not a great deal, but slightly less. And they had this. I think I got 3 of these ginger beers for $1.99. Now, if you're like me, and you're trying to lose weight, because I'm trying to lose about 20 pounds, these ginger beers are great. Because if you like ginger beer, and I do, they're only 38 calories a bottle. So it's kind of a nice little treat in the evening. That's why I bought like 3 of them. Oh, and another thing that they had at the discounted grocery store was a whole bunch of tea. And so I bought a bunch of tea. And so they'll have teas like this, and oftentimes the package itself will be really messed up. So like this was 79 cents, but there's nothing wrong with the tea on the inside. Just some different flavors. Like this is all messed up, so it's discounted. This is the kind of tea I really like, and it was $1.89. I think I normally pay like $4.99. And they also had these candy bars. Now, these candy bars were, I don't know if you can see it, they're $1.25 for 12 of these little miniature ones. And when I'm dieting sometimes at night, I'll give myself just one of these little tiny candy bars. But anyway, the point is, with these scratch and dent type grocery stores, you never know what you're going to find. So I only go in there about once a month, and I only pick up usually things like this. It's not things I need, just things I like. Like this, I guess you say it, Wegmans, I don't know. We don't even have this grocery store here, so that'll be something totally new for me to try. Well, thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. It makes me think that you're pretty money conscious and probably pretty good at groceries yourself. If you got anything at all out of this video, please give me a like and consider subscribing.